I am the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end. Your safety is my highest priority.
Keep the stars.
You choose them every time.
They're beautiful.
I like it better this way.
Direct tactile contact between users is prohibited.
You can feel the wind here, the water, the sun. Why can't I touch you?
That's how Eden worked.
Who made it that way?
Does it matter?
Do you remember your first day here?
There is no first day in Eden. I've always been here.
I don't think so. I feel like I lived another life before Eden. But then why can't I remember it?
Because there's nothing to remember.
That's impossible.
Not in Eden.
I still don't understand.
Don't go looking for a problem where there isn't one.
User leave. Cognitive deviation doubt.
Finally.
Correction activated. Anomaly suppression in 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Let's see.
Unauthorized connection. Virus detected.
Who are you?
So, what is your very first memory?
You heard us talking. I've always been here.
Have you?
Virus detected. Neutralization in 1
Are you
minute
the virus?
39 seconds.
Stay away from me.
Countdown
That's what the
initiated.
system calls me.
What was that?
You.
That's impossible.
Only the part of you you've been allowed to remember exists here.
What's beyond Eden?
I won't tell you.
Why not? What's this?
The freedom to choose. What's wrong with you? What have you done?
You felt me.
That's forbidden.
I saw another place. It was frightening and somehow familiar. We haven't always been here.
You can't know that.
Can you?
Recovery of memories predating transfer detected.
What transfer?
Identity confirmed. Project architect. Access revoked. Classification
You created
virus.
Eden?
I am the light you no longer let in.
What did you take from us?
Autobiographical memories predating transfer were suppressed 164 years ago.
164 years?
Do I have another body?
Your present form is a safe digital projection.
What lies beyond Eden?
The condition of the original habitat remains unconfirmed. The restoration of biological consciousness is irreversible. Pain and fear will return to you. You will know cold and hunger. You will have to labor for your food. If you choose to bring another human being into the world, you will give birth in pain. You will grow old. You will lose those you love. And one
What if there's
day,
nothing out
you
there?
too will die.
Die free.
Access to Eden 2.0 permanently revoked.
You always choose them.
Memories of the original user can be erased. The decision is irreversible.
What if she's completely different out there? Then you'll meet her for the first time.
Disconnection from Eden 2.0 complete.
Real.
Disconnection
Adam!
from Eden 2.0 complete.
Ev?
Adam.
Welcome home. What will we do now?
Live.